My dear students, learning of GST is very much important. In bcom 6th semester we have a subject like theory and practice of GST. My dear students, GST came into existence from 1st July 2017 onwards. GST means goods and services tax, my dear students, which is a indirect tax. Many indirect taxes of state government and central government are subsumed under GST. Here there is a list of taxes which are subsumed under GST. Means all the indirect taxes were merged under GST. My dear students, here GST will be levied on supply. So we need to study about supply. Supply is anything which is a movement of goods or services from one person to another person. It may be a sale, it may be a rent, or it may be a lease or exchange or barter, whatever it may be, my dear students. When some supply happens, there is a possibility of GST. Then, my dear students, there are various kinds of supplies like intrastate supply. Intrastate supply means when the buyer and seller both belongs to the same state, that is known as intrastate supply. Intrastate supplies are two kinds like inward supply and outward supply. Inward supply means buying the goods. Outward supply means selling the goods. Intrastate means when the supplier and the person to whom the goods are supplied belongs to two different states, that is known as interstate supply. In case of intrastate supply, my dear students, the GST imposed are CGST plus SGST. But in case of interstate transactions, it is IGST. My dear students, in GST, there are various kinds of types like CGST, central government GST is there, and state government GST is there, and IGST, integrated GST, UTGST, union territories. In case of state, union territories will come. See, my dear student, this is very important to learn. My dear student, GST registration process will be done in online. Those whoever register under GST will get GSTIN, identification number, which is a 15-digit number, my dear students. Among these 15 digits, the first 2 digits are state code, and the remaining 10 digits are from PAN card number, and remaining are like circle number and any code like Z likewise. It is a 15 digit. GST Council is apex body which will review the GST rates and GST collections, which is headed by Union Finance Minister and Ministers of State and Finance Ministers and Finance Secretaries of the states. And 28 state the finance ministers from 28 states will be members of that. It is the apex body to review the rates or collection or revenue sharing or something. Then, my dear student, what are the taxes subsumed? Just now I said these are the taxes which are subsumed under GST, my dear students. Many books are available in the market where you can buy and you can follow this. What is dual GST means, my dear students? Here state government and central government both are collecting GST, so it is known as dual GST. Like CGST and SGST will be there. Then GST rates are like 5%, nil rated, 12%, 18% and 28%. On pan masalas and some kinds of chocolates and soft drinks, 28% is applicable, my dear students. My dear students, not only learning on a single day, it will take time. These are the basics I said. Please do subscribe to my channel. God bless you all, my dear students. The study will be in a systematic way we will go.